Do you remember the rainbow celery experiment? Why does the celery change color? To solve the mystery, Risco explains plant transpiration. Transpiration is when a plant drinks water through its roots and sends it up to the leaves, like a magical water trip. To understand it better, Risco uses his amazing invention, the transfruiter. Risco turns it on and becomes as tiny as a drop of water. Inside the water, he sees tiny water molecules and red color particles floating together. Suddenly, a strong pull takes him into the celery stalk. Risco goes up without pushing or swimming, like in a magic elevator. Inside the celery, he finds super tiny tubes. Through them, water climbs up to the leaves, like a ninja climbing without falling. And the water molecules hold on to each other, like a happy train. When he reaches the top, Risco discovers tiny little doors in the leaves. Through those doors, water escapes into the air like invisible vapor. This is called transpiration. It is a process when plants let water go out through their leaves. As the water goes up, it carries the red color with it. The water evaporates into the air, but the color stays inside the celery. Little by little, the celery turns red. This is how Risco discovered the secret of rainbow celery and how plants transpire. Thanks for watching, little friends. Hope you learned something fun today. See you in the next video.